Good morning. Won't you look at what a view. Oh man. Beautiful out this morning. Crisp 62 degrees. That's one. There's one. Okay. All right. What are we doing here? That's actually not a bad one, folks. He's fighting pretty good. This has got to be a smallmouth. Good smallmouth. Come on up here. This is a good smallmouth. Come on, I know you're tired. Oh, a good smallmouth. Barely had him hooked. Look here. Beautiful little smallmouth. Actually, he ain't too little. And he's just out here with the rest of his buddies just feeding on these shad. I knew we'd get one if we just stayed steady at it. That's a beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish. Thanks, buddy. And I'm just on a old-fashioned, just an old-fashioned clear pop R. Nothing special. Let's see if we can get back out here and catch another one. And they really wasn't even busting when I caught him. I just kind of tossed it out here and we got a nice calm morning, no wind. These shad are moving. Where this marina is, it's kind of up in a holler. That's why we're able to see all these fish feeding like this. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, right there was a big one. Just to the right of me. Oh man, and one to the left. Oh man, they're all around it. Oh, he come off. Oh, he went after it, but I missed him. There he is. Good one. Good one, folks. I'm talking a good one. He inhaled that popper. Oh, don't you come off there. Don't you come off. Don't you come off. Oh, don't you come off. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at here. Oh, look at here. Look at here. Easy now. Easy. Here, folks. Inhaled that popper. Let's see if we can get you took care of, boss. That's a beautiful fish. See if we can get a quick weigh on him real quick. We got 232. I'll take it. Let's get this guy back in the water and see if we can catch another one. Thank you, sir. Attaboy. That was a good one. I don't know if he's still over there. I'm gonna try. The hardest thing about fishing with these poppers, frogs, you have got to wait until that fish takes it under the water. When you see that big splash come up and they just inhale it, instinct is just want to set the hook. Oh man, that was a good one right there. Oh, I got it. He come right over and got it. Oh man, I hope I got that on video. That was awesome. That was awesome. Good little smallmouth. Good smallmouth. Get up here, man. Yeah. Easy now. How about we keep you hooked and not me? There we go. We'll get you back out there to eat, boss. Come on, turn loose of it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Look here, they're still feeding. Back to what I was trying to say before I got distracted. Our water is so clear and rocky. The popper that I'm using is pretty much clear. I want a reaction strike off of what it's doing. It's got a little feather on it with a little bit of glitter, but for the most part they can't really see that lure. Man, there's some good ones busting over there. Oh my gosh, what a school of bass. Oh my gosh, they are 50 of them right there. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they are everywhere. There he is. Oh my God, look at him. Look at him. Can y'all see him? They're trying to take that lure right out of his mouth. He's getting ready to come off. Oh my gosh. Guys, we got 2 of them on. We got 2 of them on. Do you see this? This one's a big one, guys. That's a big fish. That's a giant. Look at this. You're kidding. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord. Beautiful fish. Check that out. Get back in there, buddy. This guy though. Look at him. Holy cow, we gotta get a weight on him. We gotta get a weight on him. What do we got? 346. We'll take it. That's a giant. That is a beautiful fish. Man, look at the mouth on this guy. And just a rough measurement before we get him back in. This guy is right at 20 inches long. 20 inch, 350. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, buddy. 2 fish at the same time, folks. Oh, mercy. One on Topwater, one on a soft jerkbait. Thank you, Lord. That was amazing. First time that's ever happened to me. 2 fish at the same time. Folks, anytime you got one on the hook and you see others surrounding it, get you another hook in the water. That was incredible. Coolest experience. Oh my gosh. Come on, folks. That's worth a subscribe right there. 2 fish at the same time, one on Topwater, one on the soft jerkbait. Man, there was like 20 of those bass just schooling right around this dock. Man, that was incredible. Woo! What a morning, folks. The Lord blessed us this morning, man. That was a great morning, especially before work, man. I almost ain't making it to work. I'm just saying. David, if you're watching this, man, can you blame me? Well, I will catch you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Man, 2 fish at the same time, that absolutely deserves a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're going to keep on trying to put these videos together. Hope you guys enjoy watching them, man. Thank you guys so much.